Your subject lines are costing you money right now. 47% of people open emails based solely on the subject line. That means almost half your audience decides whether to engage or ignore your emails before they even read the first word. I've used the same strategy across hundreds of campaigns, generating 6- and 7-figure results for clients, all starting with a simple, well-crafted subject line. You don't have to be a professional copywriter to do this. You just need to understand what makes people curious enough to click, and once you get the hang of it, writing subject lines that command attention becomes second nature. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write subject lines that not only grab attention, but drive results. So I'll share the exact framework my clients and I use to consistently boost open rates, engage with customers, and ultimately increase your sales. So let's start with the big question. Why do subject lines even matter in the first place? It's like the storefront sign for emails, and if they don't grab attention, nobody's gonna walk in. Think about it like this. How many times have you ignored an email because the subject line just felt boring and unclear? Your audience does the same thing. For instance, I worked with a client who consistently sent out incredible offers, but their subject lines were painfully generic. Something like "this week's deal," used every single week on every email. We updated their subject lines to include specifics and personalization like "get 50% off best-selling items," and their open rates shot up by 25%. The small change made a big difference because it told recipients exactly what they were getting and why they should care. Nearly 50% of people open an email solely based on a subject line. That's half of your audience deciding whether or not to engage based on just a few words. So give it a thought. Are your subject lines doing enough to get the click? Crafting subject lines that are clear, specific, and engaging, you can dramatically increase your open rates, and with it, your chance to drive sales and build stronger customer relationships. When clients come to me, we first start by keeping the subject line and preview text short and crisp. You want to aim for a maximum of 50 to 60 characters each. Then you want to avoid spamming words like free, act now, or urgent, and you want to steer clear of exclamation marks and overly promotional language that might trigger the spam filters. Always test subject lines for effectiveness using a free subject line tester like Omnisend. For example, we helped a client improve their open rates by tweaking their subject line from "new sale alert limited time" to "first name, a little treat just for you," resulting in a jump from 51% to 65% open rates. These are the golden rules of subject lines. Clarity removes confusion and ensures your audience immediately understands the value of your email. For example, a subject line like "your exclusive 20% discount ends at midnight" is far more effective than a vague "big sale inside." Numbers and specific make subject line actionable and easy to process. One of our clients saw a significant boost in open rates when we switched their subject line from "our best sale yet" to "save 25% off your favorites this week only." People respond better to direct and specific languages because it tells them exactly what they're getting, making them more likely to engage. Then we have curiosity. A great subject line teases just enough to pique the reader's interest without revealing everything. You want to think of it like a movie trailer. Shows enough to intrigue, but leaves the best part for the main feature or movie. For example, me saying why 80% of your subscribers are ignoring your emails sparks more interest because it suggests a problem and then promises a solution. Curiosity-driven subject lines have consistently led to higher open rates for our clients here. Imagine someone opening your email just because they have to know what's inside. That's the magic of a well-crafted tease. Finally, we have compelling. Compelling subject lines evoke emotion like urgency, excitement, or FOMO, aka fear of missing out. Words like exclusive, limited, or final create a sense of urgency and drive action. For instance, "last chance, claim your free upgrade before midnight" outperforms generic alternatives because it makes the reader feels like they might miss out. Urgency works because it taps into the fear of lost opportunities. When people think they might miss out on something important, they act faster, leading to higher open rates and better conversion rate. By applying the 3 C's, clarity, curiosity, and compelling language, you can consistently craft subject lines that grab the attention and drive results. So here are just some templates you can swipe today. First, number plus benefit plus timeline. For example, 5 ways to increase your bench press in 7 days. This formula works because it sets clear expectations for the reader. Number makes subject lines tangible and actionable. If I say 5 tips, you know you're getting easy to follow advice. Adding a timeline like 7 days reinforces the idea that it's achievable and timely, which encourages the reader to click and learn more. For example, I once used 3 easy sleep hacks to boost your productivity for a client, and it drove 25% more in open rates than a previous generic subject line. Another formula is problem and solution. Example, struggling with bad sleep? Fix it in 3 steps. This formula resonates because it directly addresses a pain point and then offers a solution in a simple, approachable way. Readers instantly see how the emails can help them, and then by identifying their struggles and then providing an easy fix, create a sense of trust and relevancy. For instance, when we shifted a client's subject lines from improve your sleep to tired of poor sleep, try this strategy, their open rates improved by 20%. It works because people are naturally drawn to solutions for their problem. By leveraging these formulas, you tap into proven psychological triggers like specificity, urgency, and problem solving, making your subject lines stand out in a crowded inbox. This is where you refine your strategy. A/B testing is literally like magic in the marketing world. A/B testing is one of the most effective ways to refine your email strategy. By testing at least 2 different subject lines variations, you can discover what resonates best with your audience. For instance, comparing exclusive offer for you with John. Here's your exclusive offer might reveal that including a name increases engagement. For a client, we tested out your VIP sale starts now against Annie, don't miss your VIP access, and the personalized version resulted in a 50% higher open rate. Small tweaks like this provides valuable insight and drive meaningful improvements. Personalization. Adding personalization like a recipient name or referencing recent activity can significantly boost your open rates. For example, Mark, don't miss out on your favorite deals, feels way more tailored and relevant than a generic offer. People are more likely to engage when they feel the message was created just for them. Personalization is especially powerful for re-engagement campaigns. I've seen clients regain interest from lapsed customers simply by including their email and referencing a past purchase. Analyze results. Then you want to always analyze the results for email performance. Aim for open rates between 40 to 60%. If you're constantly below this range, it's time to revisit your strategy. Testing different subject lines and experimenting with personalization often leads to surprising results. For instance, one client boosted their open rates from 39 to 62% by switching to a personalized, curiosity-driven subject line. The key takeaway: even small adjustments can yield big results when it comes to email marketing. If you want to replicate this success, focus on blending these elements into your subject lines. Make your message clear so the recipient understands what's in it for them, and then you want to add a touch of curiosity to spark interest. Then you want to create urgency to drive action. For example, you can use a subject line like "Don't wait, your exclusive offers ends tonight," or "Ready for a surprise, check inside." Following this formula, you can craft subject lines that consistently capture attention and drive results. Subject lines are the gatekeeper to your email success. Mastering them is one of the simplest ways to see real results. Now is your turn. Think of one subject line formula from this video and then apply it to your next email marketing campaign for your e-commerce brand. And if you want help with strategies to elevate your email marketing game for your e-com brand, book a call with me today. Together, we'll create a tailored plan for your brand. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.